just... What a happy life. I always thinking about what it would be especially during this year, I've been thinking about what it would be the life without the money. Like, for example, it been existing already in a past when the people just exchanging their services, something they know. Let's say, I know how to dive, and you give me for that, you bring a sack of rice and we diving together, right? So it's like, you give me rice, I give you lessons for diving, or I don't know, something else. Would be interesting actually. Our friend Risto always says, secret of happy life is good health and bad memory. And he's absolutely right. Absolutely right. It's like, we always trying to make everything complicated, too complicated. Like, we always looking for the new problems to solve. Another friend of mine always says, you know, people usually are like the Chinese pioneers. They always looking for the problems and then solving them. Yeah, people, our lives are so complicated. We are never happy. If we are happy, then it's only for the short time, and then we have got another problem, and it's just going on, and then so that's why I think that what Risto says, it's really a solution. Good health, bad memory, immediately forget everything. Everything happens good to you, everything happens bad to you. It's just this moment, particular moment you were living in. Really wise words. Like I said, durian season is back to Bali, and it reminds me one really funny episode from my life. It was like probably a couple of years ago, and maybe some 3 years ago, when I just started living here in Bali, and comparing to the Philippines, where all the durian comes from another islands and there is no any durian growing on Cebu. So then here in the mountains there are a lot of durian trees, and locals selling it on a mountain road. You can just stop, check which one you like, they can open it, you can eat it there immediately. That's what we did in another episode. And at that time there was Tomoyo. Tomoyo is the girl from Japan. She did instructor training with me, and it happened exactly during the durian season. So and she said she never tried durian, and I bought a durian. I brought it to the place. At that time I was living in another place, and she lived in another bungalow and I lived in another bungalow, so we were neighbors. And I said, okay, Tomoyo, are you ready to try durian? And she said, yes, I'm coming. I said, do you know that actually the durian smells so bad that you will throw all your clothes in a trash bin, just because it will be impossible to wear them again. It will be super smelly. And he said, what to do now? I said, you have to eat durian in bikini. And it was a joke. Then I went to my bungalow, then I came back, and I was laughing so hard because she was sitting in bikini and waiting for me to bring the durian to eat it. And nice story, right? So yeah, sometimes people take too serious me. So yeah, that was funny story about the durian and that stuff. Actually, durian is not that smelly at all. It's, yeah, maybe I don't know, it's like I've been telling you already, it smells like a strawberry for me, and it's not smelly at all. This one we will eat today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and see you tomorrow again. Bye!